Jiggle, jiggle, make gulaman juice, our favorite gulaman, and we will be using this one, not sponsored, Jolly Grass Jelly. Ito yung laging gamit natin. Yes, excited na ako. Binuksan na. Already empty and it's right here. And we just slice it. Slice it how you like it. You can make it square. So what we do, we put make it square. Lambot, eh? Gagamitin mo yan. Hila ko pa. Easier way. O, gano'n naman. Hindi na natin pahirapan sarili natin. Para lang naman itlog yan. Tapos, side it up. So, hanap tayo niyan. Saan makahanap niyan, and I'll look for it, find it, and put in link down below. Ganun lang. O, diba? Done na. Hila-hila ko pala. Yan pala gagamitin. Okay, so just gonna do that and we wait for the next step. Lagyan natin. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. That's why it smells good. Nilalagyan pala ng, ano yan? Banana talaga? Banana, kala ko vanilla. Isang kutsarita. Hindi. Half of it. Half of the kutsarita. Kaya pala mabango. Yan pala ang trick. Sinabi ko na nga ba eh. Bakit masarap? O yan, naamoy ko na. Subscribe to my channel. We have many vlogs here. For today, it's Recipe Day. Oh, isa, dalawa, tatlo, 3, 4, 5. 5 teaspoon. Now we mix. Mix. So easy. Oh, and ice, of course. O, bilhin na kayo. Isang baso, 10 piso. Yan. We have playlist of cooking recipe also here. Many vlogs here. Subscribe to my channel. Support na dyan. Thanks for watching. Till next one. Bye.